Where to find new cryptocurrencies. Before diving in, it's crucial to ask yourself some key questions. How will investing in cryptocurrency affect your portfolio? Is it a good long-term investment? Should you invest in an initial coin offering ICO? Are non-fungible tokens, NFTs, a good idea? What is decentralized finance, DeFi, and does it offer interesting investment opportunities? Navigating the cryptocurrency landscape can be confusing, as the absence of quantifiable and trustworthy criteria for evaluation, coupled with a plethora of scams, has perplexed potential investors and made them cautious. Despite these challenges, cryptocurrencies may still be an asset class worth investigating, as they can add diversity to your portfolio, and their price volatility may offer good returns. To discover emerging cryptocurrencies, you can explore cryptocurrency exchanges such as Binance, Coinbase, Crypto.com, Gemini, and Kraken, data aggregators like CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, social media platforms such as Discord, Telegram, and X, formerly Twitter, tools like CryPointView.com, BSCCheck, and Token Sniffer, websites like TradingView and DX Screener, decentralized finance platforms that provide methods for creating DeFi applications with tokens or coins, NFT marketplaces like OpenSea, initial coin offerings, which are fundraising events for potential coin releases and often filed with regulatory agencies, and exchange-traded funds that allow indirect investment in crypto through derivatives or securitized crypto trading on mainstream exchanges.